Hello, this is an introduction to Microsale, and we are using a PosiFlex 6715 all-in-one touchscreen terminal. To get to the manager's menu, you enter your manager's number, hit manager menu. We are going to concentrate on major parts of Microsale, including menu maintenance, where you would add your categories, subcategories, departments, and do all your menu item and pricing maintenance. Also, we have employee maintenance. It's where you set your new employees or simply change their access code. You have your daily closeout, where you would manually go and close the day. Then you have your reports menu. As you can see, we have a ton of reports to choose from, and we'll go into detail at a later video. We have our discount maintenance screen. It's where you set all your different discounts. Then we have our void check menu, is where you would void any unwanted check. Messages menu is where you set your different messages, such as your trailer receipt messages, daily specials, and so on. Then we have time clock functions. This is where you would edit your employees' time records, edit their tips, or just simply leave employee messages. Transaction review is where you would see any and every transaction. So it's a journal of what's happened throughout the day. Then we have frequent diner. This is where you set different plans and create customers to reward them for their visits to your restaurant. We have gift certificate and house accounts that can be set up for your customers. And finally, register setup, which is the nuts and bolts of Microsale. So the major parts are sales tax menus, where you set your tax rate. System access configuration is where you set the different permissions to the different areas of the program. Terminal setup is where we set up your terminals. Printer setup is where we set up your printers. Access levels is where we set up permission to your different job types. Register options by terminal is where we set up your different restaurant types. Tender paidouts and customer requests is where we set up all your tenders, paidouts, as well as customer requests. And now we will exit back to Windows.